Right now, the sports sentiment data is revealing a notable spike, with a sentiment score of plus 0.31 and momentum at plus 0.39, we're seeing a positive shift that's distinctly above the historical baseline. This isn't just noise, it's a clear signal that fans are more engaged than usual. Our API returns insightful sentiment metrics and semantic clusters, enabling you to analyze the emotional landscape of sports discussions. Imagine using this data to refine your sports analytics dashboard. Integrating sentiment trends with your game predictions could give you the edge in real-time fan engagement strategies. For more on how to leverage this data effectively, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's unlock the potential of sports sentiment data together.